Okay, I stopped my recording on accident.
Yes, you do.
But we are under.
Yes, you
This
do.
is Hurricane Michael.
Hey,
Three miles. 3 miles away from a Category 5.
Yes, you do.
Under tornado warning as well.
Oh no!
And we're all making videos here. I'm making mine on
Alright.
YouTube. Our pool might overflow actually.
What's that big, huge thing?
That's the cover. That was that black cover that was over it. The water. No, the water dragged it down under.
It could dame off.
Sure. So we're under Hurricane Michael. Today is October 9th, 2018 on a Wednesday.
What the crap?
Today is October 9th, 2018 on a Wednesday. Hurricane Michael, Category 4, is rolling in. I am going to be at like a weatherman real quick. Today is October 9th, 2018 on a Wednesday, and we are...
October 10th, you idiot.
No, it's September 9th. October 9th. 10th. It's 10th. October 10th, 2018. You're under Hurricane Michael. Hi, Shuri. And also a tornado warning as well. Category 4. We are literally like under it. It's like, wow.
Oh god, I forgot I had the pressure on. What's that? Oh my god.
Sound is on a cardio and on just in silence.
Oh yeah.
And my best friend, cousin best friend, and other brother.
Storming out there.
Are y'all making YouTube videos as well? Well, you're making a TikTok.
Yeah.
Cam,
It's
are you
storming
making
out
YouTube?
there.
Oh yeah. So this is Hurricane Michael. I know I said that a bunch, and I'm just gonna say it until y'all get it in your brains. It's Hurricane Michael.
Guys, they're doing YouTube.
Hurricane Michael, and our power is out, which is why we have flashlights. Because without it, it'll be pitch black like that. There we go. Anyways, Hurricane Michael, we are under tornado watch. I just wanted to document this so, like, when I'm older, I can watch the first hurricane I've been under. But yeah, the only time I've been under a tornado watch was, like, at school. And we go, like, down in the hallways into that one position. But we are in tornado watch at our own house. And if it's severe enough, we have to go in our hallway and do that same position. Which I'm not looking forward to. Oh, I cut my hair, by the way. Well, here. I cut it into a pixie. And Hurricane Michael, Lily.
Hurricane Michael, I should say, because cousin best friend said it.
I just said it because I didn't know if you knew the name of it.
I forgot the name of it. That's why I said thank you.
It's Hurricane Michael.
Michael. Hurricane Michael. Now, what are you doing, cousin best friend? I made a video. I said we're gonna have a hurricane. What happened to our pool?
It just goes.
Look at me. I'm Mr. Macy's. Yes, sirree. Make a request. If you request a request, and then I'm listening.
Explode.
I'm Mr. Macy's. Look at me.
I just lit a candle because I want to save the battery on this bright flashlight.
Cousin best friend.
So. And there's my brother.
What's up?
As well. Oh, sorry. So I got a candle.
Look at me. I'm
This
Mr.
was
Macy's.
peach.
Yes, siree. Yeah.
Yes, she is
Cousin
in
best
it,
friend.
and he's in it as well.
Yeah.
Hurricane Michael. Oh no. Okay, battery's on 5%. I'm gonna have to leave this video here, and I'll update y'all later. Goodbye.